Hello students, now today we will do standard 6 NCERT Maths chapter 3 playing with numbers. Today we will find out highest common factor. Now in my last video I have explained about common factors, okay. Now today we will do HCF, that is highest common factor, okay. Now for example, we have to find highest common factor of 45 and 30. Now you know the method of finding factors, okay? We have done. I have already explained to you. Now find out the factors and we see the common factors of 45 and 30 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Till here I have already explained you. Now just you have to find out which is the highest common factor. Now we see 15 is the highest common factor. So that will be your HCF. Now next, find the HCF of 28, 84 and 140. So here I have found out the factors of 28, 84 and 140. And we see the common factors are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. And the highest among them is 28. So your HCF will be 28. So HCF of 28, 84 and 140 is 28. Now let's move on to exercise 3.6. Question 1. Find the HCF of the following numbers. Now I am solving two sums for you, okay? 18 and 48. As you see, factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. And factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So, we see common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So, highest common factor will be 6. Okay. Next, 18, 54, 81. So, now factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. And factors of 54, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. Factors of 81, they are 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. So, we see common factors are 1, 3 and 9. So, highest common factor will be 9. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now, what is the HCF of two consecutive numbers? First one is consecutive numbers. Now, what are consecutive numbers? They come one after the other. So, all of you know, no two numbers will come in one table. ठीक है ना? So, they will have only one as common, highest common factor. Then even numbers. Now even numbers, consecutive even numbers जो एक के बाद एक आते हैं, like 4 and 6, 18 and 20, they will have only 2 as the HCF, okay. And odd numbers, now consecutive odd numbers means एक के बाद एक जो odd numbers आते हैं वो आपको लेना है, 5 and 7, right, 11 and 13. Now they will have one as HCF. Then question number 3. HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. Now students, in my last video I have explained you co-prime numbers. Now what are co-prime numbers? Let us revise. Co-prime numbers are numbers which have only one as common factor, right? Now they have solved and found out that HCF of 4 and 15, they are co-prime numbers. So 4 equal to 2 into 2 and 15 is equal to 3 into 5. They have written the factors like this. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Now this is your question. They have found out the factors of 4 and 15. 4 के factors क्या लिखे? 2 into 2. And 15 के क्या लिखे? 3 into 5. And they are telling that there is no common prime factor. So HCF is 0. Now you have to tell, is the answer correct? And if answer is not correct, what is the correct HCF? So the answer is not correct. Why? Because they have not written 1 as a factor. 1 is a factor of every number. So the correct HCF is 1. Right? Okay, this is about 3.6 exercise. Thank you.